We're live.
Hang on, 1, 2, 3.
We're live.
Yeah, we're live.
We're live.
Yeah. Hi, it's Dave. G'day, it's Dave here.
We're in Australia, so we have to say good day.
No, well, I say good day all the time.
Well, and I'm in Australia, I should say good day too.
Well, that's right. I'm with Ken Krell. We've just and Ken's is the presenter at the I Am Freedom event here on the Gold Coast. I just trying to think, where are we?
I'm the one that's been travelling all over.
Yeah, that's all right. Yeah, we'll have to go.
Dave is speechless here because we just finished doing about 90 minutes together here in Surfers Paradise, and we talked a whole bunch about how you can create all the money and wealth and fun and enjoyment and prosperity you want in your life using the power of online business, because it's a whole lot more fun to be able to travel the world and make a ton of money than sitting at that job and working with some moron of a boss that maybe you don't enjoy being with. And we have an alternative, and the alternative is really kind of fun, don't you think?
Yeah, and I like the way that where we're leveraging systems and other people and other people's time, so they do the thing, like the...
You do the thing. Well, you'll learn how to do the thing.
Anyway.
I like making Dave laugh. We're going to do this for the next hour. This will be this is the Dave Laugh-a-thon. Just put your comments in here about how you want to make Dave laugh, and we'll just do that for him for the rest of the afternoon. It'll be kind of fun.
I just want to let them know that there's more of these, so just stay tuned.
There is.
We've got one tonight.
Dave's going to put a link in here somewhere which will give you information about where we are for the rest of this week, because we're here in Gold Coast, actually in Surfers today. And then
tonight.
Tonight. So it's at 6 p.m. Registration 5:30 p.m. In Gold Coast.
Yep.
And then tomorrow and Wednesday, we're in Brisbane. So you come visit us in Brisbane.
Yep.
But Dave is going to put a link below this video once it's uploaded, and then you click on that link, you register for when you want to be there, and you get there early, because today was like amazing. More people that
You
came
had to
than
bring
expected.
seats in twice.
Yeah, we did. We had to bring seats in twice. So I want to make sure you get early so you get the best seat in town, and we're going to rock your world. It's going to be really fun. Yeah. So, what should they do, Dave?
As well as that, there's the Home Business Summit coming up as well.
Well, there is, but you want to go to the free lecture first, because they won't know why they're coming to the HBS.
Yeah,
so
enough.
come to this free event. It is better than free. It's great. Come. I can tell you will love it. And it's free, so if you don't like it, we'll give you money back.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, he's got my sense of humor
so
too.
Thank you for watching. And Dave, he's so excited he can't even hold this camera right. I'm trying to go up and down and match where the camera's going. But
have you ever tried panning and doing it? You got to keep on that line.
I have a steady hand. I also have a Steadicam, so I travel with my Steadicam,
okay.
so it will take care of that. But nonetheless, this is live on Facebook. Yes, it's live on Facebook. So come and join us. All right, or eat the camera.
Settle.
All right. By the way, one other thing you should. Something just happened here. But something to understand something. We're being giddy and fun and happy. Why? Because we're making money, and I want you to be able to live that same kind of passion and fun and joy, because that's what it's all about. So with that said, I got to go have lunch.
Okay.
So
cheers, mate.
See ya. Bye. Come join us. We'll see you.
Okay.
Bye.